Welcome to Public Relations at Boston University's College of Communication. As you can see, there's a lot to the field of public relations. BU will teach you how to leverage paid, earned, shared, and owned media to proactively manage an organization's reputation and communicate the essence of a brand through compelling storytelling. From brand awareness to donations to market share, the practice of public relations produces real results that affect the bottom lines of entities across sectors. We were the first university in the world to offer a PR degree. That was in 1947, and today we remain among the elite PR programs in the world. Since our start, the PR program has been committed to balancing the practical application and scholarly pursuit of public relations, with faculty who are internationally known scholars and award-winning practitioners. Simply put, you'll learn from the best of the best. Our industry-renowned faculty are top public relations pros and Page Society members. Professors who've led communication programs for a Fortune 10 company, helmed PR Week's agency of the past 20 years, served as U.S. CEO for a top 5 PR firm, and who edited prestigious research journals and are internationally recognized scholars. BU is the only university in the world with 3 recipients of the PRSA Outstanding Educator Award. Plus, BU is the nation's only university with 2 endowed PR professorships. You'll see teachers bring real-life PR experiences and connections to you. They have the know-how to identify changes in the field and build your academic experience around them. We're extremely proud of the unique mix of practitioner and scholarly research faculty in our program. And to give you a sense of who you'll be learning from, let's meet some of our faculty. Dr. Eddie Downs worked for more than 10 years in Washington, D.C., and today conducts research on the role of congressional press secretaries. He teaches contemporary and nonprofit PR. Mike Fernandez was most recently CEO of North America for Burson Marsteller, and previously was Chief Communications Officer for companies including Cargill and State Farm, and a press secretary to a U.S. Senator. Visiting Distinguished Professor Stephen Grazer is also Professor Emeritus at the Harvard Business School. He holds an international reputation as one of the world's leading experts in corporate communication, and he teaches a special course on branding, communication, and reputation. Justin Joseph has extensive experience working in public relations with major brands such as Canon, Houghton Mifflin Harcourt, and Best Doctors. He co-directs PR Lab and teaches media relations and crisis communication. Ray Kocher is former chairman and global CEO of Ketchum. He's won several major PR awards, including the Gold Anvil for Lifetime Achievement from the Public Relations Society of America. Dr. Arunima Krishna brings to the classroom professional experience in branding, events, and international PR. She conducts research into public sentiment, employee communication, and international public relations while teaching crisis and corporate communication. Steve Quigley has extensive PR experience, including 10 years as a partner with the agency Schneider and Associates. Steve manages our Public Relations Internship Program and is a recipient of PRSA's Outstanding Educator Award. Amy Chandler has had a long career in public relations in both corporate and agency settings, including corporate posts with Staples and Phillips. Amy co-directs BU's PR Lab, and she teaches crisis communication and principles of public relations. Gary Sheffer was Chief Communications Officer at General Electric and is the Sandra Fraser Professor of the Practice of Public Relations here at Boston University. He is also former chair of the board of the Arthur W. Page Society. Dr. Dustin Supa has professional experience in nonprofit, entertainment, corporate, and education PR, and he's the current head of the PR division of AEJMC. His research focuses on media relations, social media, and comparing journalists and PR practitioners. Dr. Don Wright is both department chair and Harold Burson Professor. He also received the Outstanding Educator Award from PRSA and teaches PR ethics and contemporary PR. Dr. Wright conducts research on social media, PR ethics, and employee communication. You'll also have the opportunity to take courses with our talented faculty from all areas of the College of Communication, as well as across Boston University. Here are the email addresses of some faculty members who will be available to answer your questions over the phone or Zoom. This presentation will be posted online, so you'll be able to easily access faculty members' emails. Again, please feel free to reach out to them to set up a phone call or Zoom meeting. As part of the 3-semester Master of Science program, which is fall, spring, fall, you'll balance academics with practical application, learning skills, and the underlying science of public relations. With a foundation in written and oral communication, you'll layer on theory, research, strategic planning, action, and evaluation in the PR process. You'll learn the business and financial strategies necessary for success in PR, and you'll gain practical experience through internships and PR lab. Let's take a look at what you'll be studying in the Master of Science program. To ensure all public relations students have a core foundation, you'll start with these courses, which are all necessary for success in both professional and academic realms. Then you'll have the chance to tailor your master's degree to your interests and future aspirations by taking 5 electives, 4 of which should come from this list. And from your last elective, you can take something else on this list or another high-level course at the university. And you'll do it all in Boston, America's college town. Boston has a rich history, yet remains on the cutting edge. Our city is home to leading PR firms and is one of the largest media markets in the country, offering you boundless opportunities for internships and careers. BU is right in the heart of Boston, and Boston is consistently ranked among the most livable cities in the world, giving you easy access to everything a world-class city can offer. Our faculty and students engage in award-winning research, including colleagues who oversee an annual nationwide survey for PR Week that assesses the current state of public relations. This study has quickly become the most extensive and credible assessment of the industry. A link to the PR Week study is on the COM website on the Master of Science and Public Relations page. The main research hub at the College of Communication is our Communication Research Center, which houses the most advanced methods to examine communication phenomena, including biometrics and virtual reality. The Communication Research Center hosts a colloquium series, which consists of monthly research presentations that highlight current and original research of faculty and COM. In addition, each year, the Dr. Melvin L. DeFleur Distinguished Lecture Series brings in 2 distinguished scholars from outside of our university to share their outstanding scholarship, expertise, and experience. And the Zimmerman Family Social Activation Center has a full suite of advanced software to monitor in real time content and trends on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and several other social media platforms. In addition to research, we deliver you opportunities to hone these skills that employers are seeking. Or if you'd like to continue on for a PhD, you'll have a strong foundation for research and academic success. BU will help you jump right into the profession with several hands-on experiences. First, there's PR Lab, our student-run public relations agency, which we'll talk about more in the next slide. You'll gain even more experience and contacts through an internship as well. From Boston to Los Angeles to Washington, D.C., students have interned across a wide range of nonprofits, agencies, and leading corporations. From NBC to New Balance, Edelman to Ketchum, sports teams and Disney, and the American Red Cross and Amnesty International. An especially popular option is our Summer London internship program, 12 weeks of studying global marketing communication and mass media theory, followed by an internship in London. PRSSA stands for the Public Relations Student Society of America. This is the country's leading pre-professional public relations society. The BU chapter is very active, and you'll have opportunities to network, take on a leadership role, and gain practical knowledge about the communication industry. This may all culminate into the development and implementation of the annual regional conference held on our campus every year. You can also get experience by volunteering at Pro Bono, our award-winning annual PR hackathon, where students stay up all night to provide public relations, advertising, and integrated marketing services to local nonprofit organizations. And for select graduate students, we offer a guided trip to New York City's top PR employers and a chance to network with alumni in New York City. And finally, all courses bring in a variety of guest speakers to further enrich your educational experience. So, as we mentioned in the earlier slide, PR Lab is an award-winning and profitable student-led PR agency. It is the oldest in the country and provides students with a dynamic and practical learning environment. PR Lab serves real paying clients across the private, public, and nonprofit sectors and delivers measurable results. In PR Lab, students apply classroom knowledge to PR campaigns and strategic communications in real time. This experiential learning, combined with cutting-edge technology, yields industry-leading impact and insight for clients. Following a steady stream of other national and regional awards, PR Lab was recently honored with a PR News Platinum Award for Pro Bono and was named Best Training Education Program in the Agency Elite Awards. We encourage you to explore all that PR Lab offers at bu.edu/PRLab. Some additional successes and recent awards that showcase our students' work include our 2019 Page Society Case Study Award winners. Master of Science and Public Relations students Olivia Zed and Sarah Dasher won with their case study submission, Dove, a purpose-driven brand in a crisis of sincerity. Our program has also been a finalist for PR Week Awards for Outstanding Education Program in both 2019 and 2020. After graduation, you'll join a global alumni network that's shaking up the PR landscape around the world. BU's reputation for excellence means our alumni are highly sought for top PR jobs with agencies and in-house teams in Boston and around the world. From brand promotion, content creation, and social media to crisis communications, media or community relations, reputation management, and marketing communications. Our graduates regularly land positions with firms like Ketchum, HubSpot, Burson Cohen & Wolfe, and many more. And some graduates of our Master of Science in Public Relations program continue their education after BU, seeking PhD degrees from leading universities in both the U.S. and overseas. For example, Dr. Flora Hung Basic, who's currently a professor in New Zealand, and Dr. Koichi Yamamura is currently a professor at Waseda University in Japan. We hope you can picture yourself at COM, learning and thriving and preparing for a successful future. Please let us know how we can help you along your journey to graduate school. Thank you so much for tuning in to learn more about the Master of Science in Public Relations here at Boston University's College of Communication. Please reach out if you have additional questions. The best way is to email us at comgrad@bu.edu for the Graduate Affairs Office or mcadpr@bu.edu for the Department of Mass Communication, Advertising, and Public Relations. We hope to see you on campus this fall.